thamal somebody tested issue the kungamsa and during a lobsenti the area of a triangle nangzeg nane sedan kajik zendeshamonal chesar and during lobsenti the Herons formula for finding the area of a triangle the and the in this tangbo as a recap it's the geba duben nangla area of triangle sedang formula di kitone recap che di da jar che any Herons formula di nyamdo manjogi kudu che Herons formula lamne digore Herons formula lamne digore Herons formula la di Egyptian mathematician Quran ki tsendo gudane duks jasha bichi ratio in cheza area of a triangle. Zinda shamola area of a triangle di half base into height. Di don dishi ke gore. Ila di zane triangle chik. You in a triangle. Suppose triangle A B C na. The base and then a perpendicular to a height. So half base into height area the triangle to slide. Any the in the zane type tringi area of triangle nema jangsajo the Herons formula digiton nyamdo jarcheng kuduche in director ne thangbo chidang triangle nala yewa chedang ka mangbo re imbe ne ka yewa chedang chik triangle ki side ki ringdung le yewa chene ka chik yeza types of triangles nane yewa sum Tango scalene triangle side sama loga ringdu loga yena scalene triangle dine Isoceles triangle side ni chikpa imbe ina triangle dela Isoceles triangle ani thama dela Equilateral triangle that is side 상말로 ringdun chikba yena equilateral triangle digitone ne example relation di area ki digesum ge area cheda manju janda shamol jangwi area of triangle is equal to half base into height dokse relation jani kuduche and tangbodela scalene triangle now scalene triangle din kapsulang Trinking as the example key with the right triangle example key right triangle jing nala side sangwa ringdu loga yemina right triangle the scalene triangle chegwa and yimbe ne nge key with the angle check 90 degree na nge thegar half base into height ki area sedan del thegar de cha digre and there sungza right triangle imbe ina mixe ki side sumla dewa kar chegris na side sumja lo square damina side ratio hypotenuse square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides nangchingi side chungani di a the b na a square plus b square is equal to C square do zero. So let's take triangle A B a triangle ABC in which angle at C is 90 degree. The degree to the small letter A. small letter A karichung is side BC ring because it's opposite to angle A. Dine AC the B, small b, and hypotenuse by small c. So A square plus B square is equal to C square. So dinane, let's take a simple example of a scalene triangle which is also a right triangle. And dinane, let's say hypotenuse is 13 centimeter and one of the side, let's say 12 centimeter, and this side is 5 centimeter. Now if you square all the sides square down 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. So dinala 5 square down 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square and dinane that square short cut the single digit and 5 5 is 25. Double digit in a shortcut 12 square is equal to square the digit in the units place. 2 2s are 4. And then tens place the unit place ke digit need the multiply 1 2s are 2 and then double it. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And then square the digit in the tens place. Tens place ke digit the square the 1 1s are 1. So 12 square is equal to 144. Now you 12 into 12 now the chikbal. So 144. So the 169. And 169 the 13 square ta lady. Kandis legi the shortcut doing the 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, double it. 3 2s are 6. And then square the digit in the tens place. 1 1s are 1. 13 square. So this is a peculiar example of a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is now area of this triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Namgyung formula half into base. Base. Let's say this is the base. Base is 12 centimeter multiplied by height 5 centimeter. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 6 5s are 30. 30 square centimeters. So this is the area of scalene triangle ABC. Okay. Next equilateral triangle area the half base into height. Equilateral triangle, let's say triangle ABC in which all the sides are equal. So what we do is from A draw a line perpendicular to the base BC. Let's say AD is draw AD perpendicular to BC. Now, since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, this perpendicular line will bisect side BC. So BC means it will divide BC into 2 equal parts. BD is 5 centimeter, DC is also 5 centimeter. So what do? We shall find the height. Okay. AD bisects BC. Why? Perpendicular from A to the base in a equilateral triangle will bisect the base. That if you can see triangle ADB and triangle ADC are congruent triangle. So this BD is equal to DC. Okay, so BD is equal to half of BC. So half into BC is 10 centimeters. So therefore it is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 centimeter. Okay, now we shall find the area of triangle ABC. Area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Let's take BC is the base. Base is 10 centimeter. Okay, now before we go to this, let's try to find the height. Now, in right triangle ADB, since it is a right triangle, we can find the height with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So AD square plus BD squared is equal to AB square by using Pythagoras theorem. So let's put the value. AD, we don't know, let's say H squared plus BD is 5 squared is equal to AB is 10 squared. So H is equal to 10s are 100, 5 square is 25, goes to the other side, will become minus 25 and square. Okay, so H is equal to 75 H square. So square goes to the other side, will become root. So H is equal to square root of 75. Square root of 75, if we factorize it, 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5, that is 3 into 5 square. So therefore H is equal to 5 square root of 3 centimeter. So H is equal to 5 square root of 3 centimeter. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, square root of 3 centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. So the area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to 25 square root of 3 square centimeter is the area of equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, now the third one is isosceles triangle. Now isosceles triangle, even two sides are equal. So in this case, in triangle ABC, let's take this example, two sides are equal. AB is 5 centimeter, AC is also 5 centimeter. So this triangle is an isosceles triangle and the base is 8 centimeter. So what we do, again from A, draw a line perpendicular to the base, BC, let's say AD. Right, now AD will divide triangle ABC into two parts. So we'll find that these two triangles are exactly equal or these two triangles are congruent. So if these two triangles are congruent, then side BD is half of 8 centimeter, half of BC. So this will be 4 centimeter. So we shall try to find AD. Okay, so what do you do? Draw in triangle ABC, draw AD perpendicular to BC. So therefore, what will AD will bisect BC, right? If it bisect BC, then BD is equal to half of BC. Half into BC is 8 centimeter. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So BD is 4 centimeter. Now in this triangle, since it is a right triangle, we can find the unknown side, that is a perpendicular, right? In right triangle ADB, AD squared plus BD squared is equal to AB squared. So this is by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so AD square, let's say AD is H square plus BD is 4 squared and AB square is 5 squared. So H square is equal to 5 5s are 25 minus 4 4s are 16, goes to the other side, will become minus 25 minus 16. Now there's an interesting case. If in a right triangle, difference between two sides, the longest and one of the shorter side, if the difference between the longest and one of the shorter side is 1, then we can easily find the other side. That is, for example, in this case, it's 4 square and 5 square. 5 square is the square of the hypotenuse. 4 square is the square of one of the shorter side. So the difference between these two sides is 1. So in that case, we can just add 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Anyway, if you do the normal calculation, 5 5s are 25 minus 4 4s are 16. 25 minus 16 is also equal to 9. So this is the shorter way of getting thing, and this is based on the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Since the difference between a and b is 1, then the difference between the square of these two numbers will be equal to sum of the two numbers a plus b, and that is why 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 5 plus 4. So therefore h is equal to square root of 9, which is equal to 3, or h is 3 centimeter. So area of this triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into what is the base? Base is 8 centimeter into height is 3 centimeter. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 4 threes are 12. 12 square centimeter is the area of this isosceles triangle. Okay, now we are going to introduce Herons formula. Earlier what we have done is that we know all the sides. So what we have done, still what we did was, even though height is not given, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we found the height, and ultimately we found the area of the triangle. So Herons formula is used when all the sides are given and the height is not given. So let's take one example. Now before we take the example, let me write the formula. Herons formula. Herons or Heroes, the same. Herons formula for finding the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now, what are S, A, B, and what does these letters represent? So A stands, let's draw the diagram. Let's say again say triangle ABC. Let BC is equal to A and AC is equal to B and AB is equal to C. So ABC represents the sides, length of sides of each of these sides of a triangle, and S represents semi-perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all the sides of a triangle. So divide by 2. Right? Now we shall take one example. Then example, let's say in triangle ABC, BC is equal to 40 centimeter and AB is equal to 24 centimeter and AC is equal to 32 centimeter. Okay, so first, in order to find the area of triangle ABC, in which BC is equal to 40 centimeter, AC is equal to 32 centimeter, and AB is equal to 24 centimeters. For that, using Herons formula, what do we do? First, we find the semi-perimeter. So for that, we add all these three sides. 40 centimeter plus 32 centimeter plus 24 centimeter divided by 2. So that is equal to 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 96 centimeter divided by 2, which is equal to 48 centimeter. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, the formula is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what is the value of S? 48 into S minus A, 48 minus 40 into S minus B, 48 minus 32 into 48 minus C, it's 24 whole square root. So 48 into 48 minus 40 is 8. 48 minus 16 is, 48 minus 32 is 16 into 48 minus 24 is 24 square root. Okay. Now what do you do? We shall factorize. We can do it in two ways. One is multiply all of them together and then find the square root. That is one. The easier one is write the prime factors or all these factors. So 48 can be written as 48. Let's find the factors is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are. So it's 2 square into 2 square into 3. 2 2s are 4, it's 4 square into 3. So 4 square into 3, 8 is 2 square into 2, right? And this is 16 is, we know 16 is 4 square into 24. 24, you can see from here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it's 2 square into 2 into 3. So 4 square, square root of 4 square is 4 into 2 square. Square root of 2 square is 2. 4 square, square root of 4 square is 4. Again, square root of 2 square is 2. And then what do? You combine 3 into 3. 3 square. So 3 square root is 3. So what is left? Again, 2 into 2. It's 2 square. 2 square root, it's 2. So we shall multiply all of them together. So what you will get? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. 4 2s 32. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 6, okay, directly multiply 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. So multiply by this 2, right? 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are 36. 37 38. So this is equal to the area of triangle ABC using Herons formula is 384 square centimeter. So in the last or the concluding part, what we shall do is we shall verify whether Herons formula is correct or not using the earlier formula of area of a triangle, that is half base into height. So if you notice the size of triangle ABC, you'll find if we square all the 3 sides, then the square of the longer side, 40 centimeter, will be equal to the square of the 2 shorter side, that is 32 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Okay, let's see. In triangle ABC, let's see. 24 square plus 32 squared is equal to 40 square. Let's see whether we are getting left hand side equal to right hand side. So while squaring, we discuss the shortcut of squaring the side of a 2-digit number. How? This 24 square can be written as 4 4s are 16. Then multiply these two. 4 2s are 8. Double it. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, carry 1. Square this. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 24 square is equal to 576. Similarly, 32 square will be equal to 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Double it. 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So if you add these two, okay, let's square this one. Of course, 0 square is 0. 4 zeros are 0. Double it, again 0. 4 4s are 16. Let's see, sum of these two is equal to 1,600 or not. 4 plus 6, 10. 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 0 plus 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 1. So that means this triangle ABC is a right triangle. If it is a right triangle, then angle opposite to the longest side is 90 degrees. So angle A is 90 degrees. And therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half base into height. So in this case, half of the two smaller sides, you take one as the base and other as the height. Let's say base is 32 centimeter multiplied by height 24 centimeter. So divide 2 ones are 2, 2 16s are 32. So if you multiply 16 into 24, earlier with the help of Herons formula, we found the area of triangle ABC is equal to 384 square centimeter. I think we'll get the same result. Let's check. 24 multiplied by 16. 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 2s are 12, plus 2, 14. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 4, 8, 3, which means we are getting the same area either by using this formula, half base into height, or using the Herons formula. So this is the end of the lesson, and in the next lesson we'll discuss some more examples using Herons formula. Thank you.